Thanks for choosing Bradford White. As always, consult the installation and operation manual for full details on this water heater. The EF Series turbo must be installed in accordance with local codes. In the absence of local codes, must be installed in compliance with the National Fuel Gas Code. These units come with prepackaged components, including intake terminals, a condensate elbow and trap, a 3 to 4 and 4 to 6 inch adapters for the exhaust, and 2-inch caps for unused water lines. Before installing, there are some best practices that must be followed. Here are some tips for installation. The pre-installed outlet nipples on the top right and top left of the tank, as well as the venting adapter and inlet gas piping, are specifically oriented at the factory. Use caution not to rotate when applying field connections. Minimum clearance from combustible materials is 0 inches for sides, top, and back, but recommended minimum clearance for servicing is 24 inches on the top, front, and right side, 12 inches on the left, and 0 on the back. When venting, these units can be installed as a power vent, 1-pipe install, or a power direct vent, 2-pipe install. If installing as a power vent, be certain to follow the installation manual guidance for adequate air supply and confined space to ensure the heater can breathe properly. If installing as a power direct vent, intake and exhaust must be at least 36 inches apart to avoid cross-contamination of exhaust. Always reference the install manual for approved vent materials, allowable sizes, and distances. To prevent dirt, dust, and debris from potentially plugging up the burner, installing the EF sock filter will help keep the unit running longer. The condensate line can be oriented 2 different ways, but the trap must be level. After the trap, the line should be sloped 1/8 inch per foot to an adequate drain. Always reference local codes to see if condensate neutralization is necessary. There are inlet and outlet water connections on either side of the heater. 2 caps are provided for unused connections. We always recommend that unions and shutoff valves are installed on all water connections for future service needs. If a heater is installed on a closed plumbing system, means for protection from thermal expansion is required. Minimum gas pressure is 3.5 inches water column for natural gas, 8 inches for propane, and that is during high fire operation. Max gas pressure is 14 inches of water column. For additional information regarding best practices, refer to the installation and operation manual. And remember, if you have questions on this or any other Bradford White product, give us a call anytime. We're always here for the pro.